To all the Makima fans that claim she's stronger than Yoru or act like she cannot be surpassed and she's the pinnacle of the Chainsaw Man verse, how do you feel about the recent chapters? Cause Yoru is in a whole nother tier. The scales are not even close. And sure, the art was more grand back then because of the help from the assistants. But are we really debating who's stronger between the Control Devil and the War Devil? Come on, I love Makima so much. She is the most iconic antagonist in Chainsaw Man. But let's just face the facts.